Are you using no time as an excuse when it comes to exercising? When we come back, learn how to solve that dilemma. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, it's Jeff Armbruster here from It Starts With Change, and today we're going to excuse bust. What do I mean? Listen up. Finding ways to exercise when short on time is a challenge that we all face. From hectic work schedules to kids' activities, there's always some excuse that gets in the way. But what if I told you that getting up 30 to 45 minutes earlier can solve that problem? Yep. Waking up early gets your day off to a great start. It gives you the me time you need to stay fit, healthy, and you put the all important workout in the rear view mirror. And you get to start your day energized. If you have the will, you can make the time for yourself and your fitness even when life gets crazy. Now let's talk scheduling. We schedule all of our work meetings. Why not our workouts? Putting your workouts into your schedule shows how important they are to you and your health. Seriously, scheduling your workouts daily ensures that you're taking care of yourself and you got a plan to do so. The idea that you don't have enough time for a workout is just an excuse. 25 to 30 minutes of compound movements at an accelerated pace has been proven to be just as beneficial as a traditional hour workout. So, do you have 25 to 30 minutes in your 24 hours to spare? I bet you can find it, and by doing so, will give you more years on this earth. Now let's talk workout partners. Working out with a significant other, a spouse, or a great friend can make all the difference. Sweating together and keeping each other accountable not only helps you get it done, but it also helps you reach your fitness goals together, while bringing your relationship with that person even closer than before. No matter what life throws at you, there's always a way to exercise and excuse bust, even when you're short on time. So what are you waiting for? Get up early, schedule those workouts, make the most of that 25 to 30 minutes, and work out with a partner. Easy peasy. It's time to make time for yourself and your fitness no matter what. We so appreciate all the likes and the views and the comments, and we hope you consider subscribing so you never miss a thing. On behalf of everybody here at It Starts With Change, this is Jeff Armbruster, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.